Yeah, ewo ya bato abakosem ne. Ade a ye nyina ye ntie. Uhwe MPP ya bato abakosem a ubehu se dimpa se obi beba foforo first time presidential candidate na wako wini presidency. Ebisi na o. Edubu ahin ba wentimi President Kufuor ba 1996 wenya yemano ko obiom 2000 eno konya enya sa Nana Kufuor ba 2008 wenya yemano ko obiom 2012 wenya yemano ko obiom 2016 eno konya ade a misremo ne se ade a yeye ma President Kufuor ade a yeye ma President Nana Kufuor misremo munye sa emma Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia.
I don't know. I want for we say 2024 no him so be lose one. First timer. Anyway, now minority say a case CD agina ne naso a omon credit Akufo-Addo for the stability. He is a major contributor. Deputy Minority Whip Jerry Ahmed and I can same way. E dey ni gina so yentie no.
Well, let's look at it from the angle that people have done well, let's commend them. And I want to look at it from the angle that whoever has contributed to the proper evolution of the city must be commended, they must be celebrated. I think we have a list of names. Yes, President Mama is one of them. Anybody who has been a president since the inception of the city should be commended. Nana Ado Akufo-Addo, who has been the president of the Republic of Ghana for 8 years, is a major contributor of the stability of the city.
Abai the abetu dwa se tese a wode asotwe mu odin aba a new penalty regime to curb vehicle overloading on Ghana's roads. Offenders will now pay increased fine of 50,000. Road Minister, she says, "Yeah, cars na. You see, ya almost Burkina cars. No more overload. Na car in infinite na meno. Not trader no. Trailer no. A bare 100 meters. Usan who is sign. As I see, I chew near Jinawa 50,000 Ghana cedis, and I'll be here."
I mean, fees and charges, which is in Parliament now, which should mature somewhere next week. Government has actually increased the fines of overloading from the current 5,000 to 50,000. It's a punitive measure. We are also in consultation with stakeholders to see that currently the regime is that when you are overloaded, you are allowed to bring another vehicle to offload the overloaded section and pay a small fine and go away. We are in consultation to find out whether anytime you overload, one of the punishments will be that the overloaded portion of the goods is forfeited completely and the goods auctioned by the state. I believe a combination of those and others would stop people from overloading.
Okay. The Ghana Revenue Authority is piloting an AI system set to roll out next year to support customs operations. Commissioner General Anthony Sapon, Yentino.
Customs area, we are also piloting 2 technologies in this quarter with a full-blown rollout for next year. One is what we call an AI tool that supports us to do what we call classification and evaluation. So when we are bringing in the goods, we need to identify and say it is rice or it's a vehicle. And then once we have identified that, we need to say how much should be the duty that should be placed on it. At the moment, we have a lot of human intervention. So the AI tool is going to complement. Let me emphasize that, not to take away the human being, but it's going to complement in the sense that the AI tool will work within 5 to 10 minutes. The work that is done by the human being for 30 to 1 hour, the AI tool will do it. And it will just pause and wait. and let the human being also do the work, and then we compare. So that at the end of the day, where there are differences over time, we'll begin to bridge the differences over time. So
I don't know. Now, Supreme Court for F.A. Krata bi. Na krata no na attaching an de ko to omanim. And omu wine say ya omu jemu ye say da odo river nim. Adan ya. Omu de asem koto Supreme Court anim say Georgia Justice John Eugene Nyante Nyadu. What case no so no. At the pebia, you will bet me the free the Muaba Nazareth. I be boa du boy. Then to almost just say, Yantanya do one more. It's almost consent a Supreme Court in your day. A man in recusal from the seat. Supreme Court say, as I'm not mechanic, it is without merit. Now, it did not meet the requirement to prohibit the trial judge. It's one there. And some no mekaino. Yante. Fina any or no would be seedy. What go prese? Ye pamono. Ye jatacha.
Well, I'm disappointed but not discouraged. We'll see how the case will travel.
How does it feel going back to the same court that you...
It doesn't move me at all. The only persuasion a judge will have is the law. I'm not going to have a banter with him. I'm not going to fight him over anything. I'm just going to project the law. It doesn't move me at all.
Are you looking at appealing against this decision?
Yeah, this is a 5-0, so that is a tall order. You may review.
Yeah.
That's a tall order. So we'll slow down.
All right, thank you.
Okay, Ose is disappointed. Nah, and some no sunny each goodness. Okushi Astram sai, no de siani. You see, I didn't tell Pompo on one team. Nah, Sambre ya, ho koya, what am fay. Now, would you anymore? Dear, what client no, a 5-member panel of justices of the Supreme Apex Court, no more decision about home streams. I, the suitcase you could kutani ni aid no and no cry asem kase you say I want na cases ni na audio now yes so anu asako X no asako Facebook TikTok Twitter no I go reply so ho okay government accountability series contractor got 70% payment but delivered less than half. Minta Akando. The minister revealed that Lightwave Health Information Management System Limited received over 77 million Ghana cedis despite delivering less than half of the agreed work. Ya man 70% of Sikano and so a jumo and half of Krenu. Gentlemen, good morning. Then Pom to say. Okay. As I tell my say free. I want on some power meet me.
Oh my, and some of the madam producers and multimedia, a whole lot of.
They are doing a wonderful yeoman's job. And then Kukua ne akosia someone friend say yeah Grace. Mekwana triplets of producers. Omunina are beautiful women. I have 3 beautiful women who are producers and directors.
I think I was making a humble appreciation.
I said I have 3 beautiful.
Taking the seal out of me. I mean,
I'm taking the seal out of the window from you. And you may ye crowd there. Still I ship no beko.
Oh my Migidi say Attorney General or born homody, but it should be faster than this. And someone one doors who maybe there may cast I was say as someone on wiki be a friend of Ben Prince. Because the only way you know, so want to me was some necessary that be about for me, but I own one.
That's almost certain president.
And I make a knowledge prosecution.
NBC Attorney General certain president of knowledge prosecution.
And I didn't also every day week be a mensa. A bed costing 10 now, your fast track. If you could call for a separate court or special court for some of these cases. because Atachia eka say when you one ko judge enemy or the Supreme Court as a be one or be 8 days yenko asemi sui ekunko banka we e ba yanka na na kire ya na mo se kwato asam no so na papa na e de asamato no so ida say no be sign so
ana ba akodam
ana be wa abandi ni ebatum ni ehu de ba kwese nya sa because sa ba bi mpo ba no be ka say wa no le prosecute o my the impression I wa man for team no ebi mpo asam ni po ko ebianka ye be hu be sign
so wa binti ni eja
what you say ente no cry am some of these when say events suspect no ente me dey make can say o ma asam ni content na dey no be sign say wuntu mu dey ni say ye o say sibe mu dey no maame abaya na maame no pense kura gift you
worry
o mo asam ni content any other cases na mwa afete say kwa nanka yetimi hu the body esusu the body hu ba kwa
du bo ahena mo hwe no oda
he's looking very fresh
oda yo ne yire no oni ne yire ni me enu na ekọ no
enti no say me hu be sign na hu be sign na aboa I say apapa ba ku isu ayi de no wo ayi fe ni say buffer stock so
hanan
one so formally so ma hu si a charge no enti I say go tentem no okokọ explain ni ma bi na boa no mo hu de o because obi wa pokwa na bia opposition mi wo party ni mu but ye the case in same for wa won't mean ya won twa brain for position because of party so won't know woman mo dey no ansem ne content nemwa na me dey sa fine a mo dey be on so man panyi mama last week and say this you know can say the code buses na trucks na ko Burkina Faso no overloading nature no ya kwa no man say and I say wo mo dey fine say ba say penalty unity but wait as huge as
as I take canino na ye chiwa ne amount the track for fraba no abe offload
no be ni ma no
they required no way you say na be tracks me nu na we call instead of one instead of be kwan no say almost chiwa ye mo offload na mo you pay a penalty of 50,000
na entimi for na be say am no so
no dey agree no
because we opposite for kura say man panyi mama kasa say so mo rehu na mu di areho che say ade ne hia mo nsa I was saying ka mo hwe so na kamra no ye adwuma na nam say man timi ahweso ye nti na ma yakotwetwe ya ba say parent unit yakokodu samre say ka ede hia mo samre bi na kanema ne call in accordance with emrani hye na enka we ma
na axle load for no
o ma axle load for nyina na kwan kro ya so
enti wo mo no ya de no mo cheke
as load for nyina o man hwan e dey load e ko fa hwa na de obeje no waje wonu ehun se ni load no bruso e kwan na ensei enso so emfa community o man de me ketwa to kwan se na ensei IGP Christian Tetonyohunu wo ya de bi na me bo na baso na se enwie peye se na ensei on se na police for no ejija kwan so pa but tie for na hefo be se da soldier for na police for in particular o ma free kwan so but since last week and I said last 2 weeks no Zongo police station for na start here omko go gina kwa me
o ma saba
and na ayi for no pen say airport for no so has here so say kwa so gina no say mu say emwa mu jaya mu nyai no babia because enye kwa so gina kwa na driver no betima check no so at sentiment dia make say tetenyu na manfo bo abaso say we withdraw officers no
traffic e be see
so e say o ma say ewu airport for sure say bon say santas baba begina no we baba begina na information ko by next week Monday na kwa ni nyina so ayema almost on begina kwa so o man ye wo de yewu
adroba for no complain say
driver ni ba ko
patimpo de o da so je
o man driver ni ba ko betu afre bia o free tech ana say bia wo free just na eba just wo ebeje obedu tech ebeje krapa beje just wo kraba tumatu amienu obedu airport and about ebeje airport o gasa wo doje for mozo ngo ba ko mu gina ho obeduru ayi ebeni say ababia o mu tompa boy crofrom ho yi
boro
market wo so mu gina ho enti be bie no wa obetime tua saa 10 20 saa no tua be fa 1 million
o mu kwa de o mu di saw na o ko kwantempo no won mu free esrem kwa so ba sunwane kwa so no highway for no me se obitimi frɛ ye kawasem a na wo de waso to se wutia obo oba be du no atua a police for be 500 Ghana cedis 500 waging 100, waging 100, waging 100. Quite bottom. Hey!
Oh my, what do you want to ask? The pussy for me.
Oh my, my nurse, I don't pay that. Main chair, T4. Maybe some me hear speaker and 7 hours to the members of parliament say, Ebi Emma na woman fancy movie and so Emma. Now we're standing orders and also a chair coin I'll be fast was a member of parliament now open leafer. I was sure the fact clerk no soon could speaker so now within 24 hours speaker and so a grant tone. I think say a year coin a chair members of parliament on the conduct your na discipline ye juma wo ho na principles nso ye juma wo ho na reflecting ewoti memofo nso ne ehunu se enema bi wo ho a se wo ye juma eni ho kwan se wutum ana se enne wo se wo kwa juma na se wo ntumi a wo se wo seek for leave and members of parliament a body a make us more oversight responsibility of enema hodo pi ya e wo se omodi omani e ko wonti se so man shall say discipline no more man fam ra na nya adwuma eno na be ma timemufo nso yenso yebesua dia from why na obeti say MP kura we ni wa ye MP kura da mo a wotu ni ti be hu say na timemufo nso ye den esua e di free wo mo ho ya emwa na wo mo oversight responsibility no mo wo no anka o man cha galam say yes ni Yesika ECG for if good and asefo, they can even invite them to the privileges committee. Normally, omadi enkomo. Na fi wamadi nchirimu baby sikana fa sikana dia no omadi aye. They have all this powers. They have all these responsibilities. Ombe to media. But I come here and say ye nyahu ye parliament no say edi dwumaso ya edem faso bretimemo for. Unless otherwise, on beko akotenase no be approve bill, on beko akotenase no be approve loan bi se beko na bia ne but say ye adwuma na nkasa amatimemufo anya so mfaso gidigidi ne ehu said institutions ahodo a omo adwumadi enkoyie parliament from ye de omo tenase ye twi omo anim ye sanction binum ye question binum na ye hu the effectiveness of your institutions no ye hu ne sa I think the speaker say no they count that oversight responsibility on institutions a hold on almost shall say adi hujumana to me abwa I think it will be on
a quick one. One say Asante Yaw, this thing has come back. The cock they say has come home to roost. There was an absenteeism issue. Ghana fo nyina do manu tum mra shebedwa fo na tum say Adwo Asafo needed to be punished. Why the defending no? It was Babin who read a 2-hour paper. Any defender Adwo Asafo say wanyam from Sobia. Today you see the same man is complaining. He is crying foul, wolf. Well, there is no wolf. Me go to me and going to say, "You Rabbi, keep quiet." Oh yes.
I guess you.
Now officer be maybe. Everything was so glaring. Say I just have for boo. On the day of hearing, on no net 2 hours. On the chairman sabunsu. Ya no can't say on no number 3 no. The chairman sabunsu kana no tum or number 3. A banter between MPP, even in majority as against Babin. Yes. Onu the jina mu defend the Adwo Asafo. Oh, your phone sir. Now he's crying so omuma. After the or the absentees remember seat are vacant. Hey.
Yes.
Kotoboje. Mavintiu.
Obai it will be on a cast now muludia you be fine almost 50 cedis.
That's right.
I think cry say enye fine no cry
50,000.
50,000. I was say ye mre bi nanka daylight and the new kwan says heavy tracks you cry a fire kwan eso because the kind of traffic a course kwan so no is too much. It's too much. And heavy tracks the enkombe fa kwan so it should be a fiti anajo na mu ho konoma as a cars in kitwa na emfa no na kwan no daso no atumi akose de opeso okọ bia eno anajo anim haya ye nim haya ka kakraka bi trotro ka odi atwimu gigraw
Oh, anima.
Anim haya, trotroka, or the abon, or cohue. Say, young for road safety ne precautions near Juma road signs near Juma. Oma or corner Nima bedrew a young chair had more about 21st, the last end. No matter no say Banechi. Menim so ye run about to so ye deal. The who na tea ya ne siki ground or the have a bottle troka bimu. That is say was say ni tail light near my hood winner. Say can na do no all plies are coin ya. Nka free range because a coin so I empty kakra. A swad the whole kakra. The me feel say Kayam fan can so say a real daylight na sarcasm more ply rules no. Because as I know a lot of at the back coin so. So be overtaking na akwa
at the Central Business District at a point in time nasa rule yo. But a good room maybe say enye edum
yes
na oba be union ma oba anajo ahomachi but by 5 a.m.
yes
I was so too careful and now
congestion
and now cook ejetia na eduma etimi bo 7
yes
na car kese bia be park no mu union ma
na traffic
ya togu
go slow na cost wo kromo
car kese etimi be gina ho now waje almost about 20 car parking lot
6
a.m. no mu union ma 6 a.m. kakane by 5 a.m. na cars ni nyina kase ni nyina free ho ade san so a na ye wo mra 6 ball kwa mu a wo parking
yes
by you see ano
yes
because na anajo no so eja ko no mu di awu de ti a mo sa ma o mo guarantee daytime no say ade san wa sa o mo amachi de light no
light na sit up no
for akese no car kese ni load ne trailer no e be 50 meters
yeah
now I saw
papa
no I saw light e be 6 as a flood light no I saw aben na e wo wiem no
as a stadium light ni
bi to oba ate pa
unye baby ahwe
wo no o mu kumni papa ntina na o say by 6 p.m. oh boy na o jagum ya ma mintiu
minority for no press conference bi omo ye na make kakra bi on it justice for bafu boni akota minority for no munya papa no medi the chief justice oluma po bafu boni papa no wabre and wasum ne my Ghana muka na say with diligence dini huni na dwuma yem edu ba bi na onna na ababe the youngest Supreme Court judge ewo sa time na tuguba mo ene kwesi ni yebua ne George na Wood ne adinyira gbede sule gbedegbe akoto banfo no mo honom no na be ye the youngest sa time no doche obe no odidi ya ne namua kakra ene ne ababedru no so did the chief justice akota said the President Mahama obeka ntokwa emantokwa afuno no ana tokonu de ye mo wa kire say lawyer ni bi anase judge ni bi e de manso ene tete mo manso no se na ma me ne demonstrate e de chair President Mahama say woni ne betwea ko wom kusi se the 4-year term ne bekwa wiye no woni ne betwea wokọ ECOWAS court ko AU court nyina o Commonwealth nyina o report papa no ho
Commonwealth ne ni
nyina
na has 6 cases
na akota mesre so edu eyen weekend me hu se lawyer fo binum ne mpedimfo binum e de obano and me de misade but Mr. President Mahama say akota se maami tokunu be ye adwuma as judge ni
justice
at least le adwuma ye as a Supreme Court judge no benefit bi e wo bia o se ye de maame no na o de court na fi no akota o mfama no na on court na fi
ya we me ntwa wanu ayi Attorney General Kraso de court say opese o isi
explanation akota ade na da ho no no eye me hu ni say ase Ghana ye hu bi da
ehu so
ehu na wo hwe se ne president sign ade no a ede yi maame na edi no a amanfo fi say ano ode ano hye so dodo
Ebi say arbitrary. I say yamhwe ya the president is taking certain powers upon himself. I'm sure ya dachi bi omampani bi aba na say ejako ye na hia. Ye the assemble so we are we say say wasa so kura pe power chi
kura te say ya say wa metena wi ase kura
et say emremu di din kura ni Ghana mremu
wa do na chi kura che say wa me ya dwuma say oya dwuma kura wo magistrate court kura wa pepa ni nyina maame na bregu and we will plead with President John Dramani Mahama say maame na dwuma charges say ko ye nyina na for na dwuma as chief justice
no omampani kasa no ni no de
hwe no anya ne fe
so the video ni ko kire
mba ko enya hwe
oh my media say some ya bo ka no say a chief justice there no it should cut across all other sectors so say obi ye headmaster na say me say onko trefi no so be lose the benefit na say there no the president no they should all enjoy me dem no mo bia ya agi because won team o ma me ya adwuma on this stated misbehavior whatever intino na candidate be born but it should cut across other so be a police ni asoma atem kitua bi na police ni ko trefe na nyema se onye nyina no nsanka we should be taking again that
the best president the magnitude of assembly so no or say ebem seni asante ebo e ka ne general akwata o ye police ni wa koton police tu ama amroba man de akwa kobokro no ne ya chewa ne ye yiwa dia o say o ye adwuma as last corporal say ya o ye chief inspector nti ye fa on last corporal benefit man de nya adwuma akwata eti boni na wa ye no ene ye nhwe emuduro
the gravity of it
ene emu ha ye nwe so akwata stated misbehavior ni akwata yamra no so no windows bebre wo hondodo ye start say ye be silly ye windows no na akwata aye straightforward stated misbehavior no e bia one lawyer bia na the case one anima kwetwempra eye stated misbehavior state
what is the operational definition of stated misbehavior
Ebia, an example. Say.
If you do ABC,
contempt.
It gets to the bottom of
the
panel to decide what constitutes stated misbehavior. It is not expressly stated.
Agota, so
say me bu aniche, na nichi bu.
That's contempt of court law.
Aye.
When you are the share many anya ho
enunti stated
enunti me yi wadi akota
baby aye ka ko no we say ma me no de wode ye no otiatia no stated misbehavior
oh
eno so no mu gina so
yes eno no ye de pama me afi we
bafo born yawe you say omo twi koye someone so by in retirement as December na
bemben
enti na me please
me pacha o say
omo so betima twia so omo so aseda
akuta mo twi
na no cry ba ko pe mo me enka every before no dey
omo pe papa na ni ma hwe omo pe na ni ma hwe
2013
election petition no
adijina akoto bafo boni dissenting Debbie
na kuta say 2020 or 2021 the so na bafo boni ka ho eno so
they say unanimous no sometimes ka ho by unanimous 11 as a 7 na quite to say when na 5-4 no baby on be ko bia onim
edane kakra bia
cases no ye 6 ubo ko ba bia no Bafu boni and dissent ba ku say
oh bagota omunya papa no
adijina
omoma papa na somunyo no na onfa nkodi chief justice
prison service was and called the general all this one so on say suspending all this one wonya
say the year so
buy oman suspend
he was not suspended
promotion
say promotion so it is at the bosom of the president
I would say no promote president for the promoter by the deputy director general prison
but he said across a senior child
across wabedru a police near your COP as to say IGP no political appointment
but they be about
yes your former easily sao
Ofi Boakye as interior minister
share akota wo ka interior minister to bonsa defense and common here say
muntaka ne de bad defense near the Kofi
akota mami cheche mu yi Kofi Boakye eco defense na defense no modern eco no Akota de manfesia.
Okay, Abusiafo. Yes, Yema Orlando any emfa tip of Juma de nya day. Emra. Abusiafo ye page mu ye be saba.
No mo de ne ko no.